Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic comparing and ordering numbers. We shall see it with an example. The first one, look at the numbers Jade and Han are holding. Who has the greatest number? So when you look, Jade is holding a number that is 471,548. And Han is holding a number 398,769. When you want to compare two numbers, you have to look at the greatest place value first. So the number that Jade is holding the greatest place value is 100,000 here. That is 4. And again 100,000 with Han is 3. So you need to compare, you need to find the greatest number. So among these two numbers in the 100,000s place, 4 is the greatest. So no doubt this number is the greatest. That is 4,701. 471,548 is greater than 398,769. Okay, we shall see the second question. Find the smallest number from the set given below. Again, you have two numbers, that is 373,900 and 378,436. So we'll just put it in a place value chart. When you look both the numbers, that is the greatest place value for both the numbers is 100,000. So when you compare these two numbers, they are same. So now you have to look at the next place value. So that is 10,000. Again, when you compare these two numbers, they are also the same. So you have to look at the next place value, which is thousands. So thousands, when you look, you can see you need to find the smallest number. So you look which is smallest among these two, 3 or 8. 3, correct? So this is the smallest number. So 378,436 is greater than 373,900. So since our question is to find the smallest, this is the smallest number. Correct? When you compare the place value, first you will compare the greatest one. So it is equal. So you went for the next. Again it is equal. So you went for the next. And you found 3 is the smallest. So that number where you got 3, that will be the smallest among these two numbers. Over to the next question. Arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. So you need to find the smallest number first. Again, I have written in the form of a place value, like I have given it in the place value chart. So when you compare the greatest place value here, it is 100,000. You need to find the smallest. Among all these numbers, 4 is the smallest. So this is the smallest number. So you got it. Now after that you compare it again, which is smallest, 775. So 5 is the smallest. So this is the next smallest number. So that is also done. Now among these two, these are 7, 7, 7. These are same in 100,000. So you can compare it with that place value. So you move to the next place value. When you look here, it is 6 and 8. And you know 6 is the smallest among 9. So 6 is smallest among 6 and 9. So this is the next smallest number. So this become next. And after that, no doubt, the last number you will be writing. So you need to write it in the order of smallest to greatest. So the smallest number you will write first. Okay, smallest means crocodile mouth. You know it is that small. I have to write. Then second one you will write. Then third one you will write. Again with a less than sign. And the last one. This is how you need to compare and order the numbers. So very easily you can compare the numbers by looking at the greatest place value. Okay, we have one more question. Arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. When you look the place value, I'm not just placing it in the place value chart, and we'll just have a look. When you look, it is 10,000 is coming. Here 10,000, when you look the place value, here 100,000 is coming. Here also 100,000 is coming. So you need to find the greatest. So these two are having 100,000. So you need to compare these two first. And in the 100,000 place, which is coming more? Yes, this is coming. That is 618,010. So you got the first greatest number. Which is the next greatest? We already wrote it. Were 100,000 places coming? 161,009. So that is the next. We got it. Now we don't have anything in the 100,000 place. So we will look the 10,000 place. Next two numbers are coming in 10,000 place. So among these two, 10,000, which is the greatest? No doubt 9 is the greatest. So we have to write that as the next one. 99. 402. Okay. 9900 and 502. Next is 25. Yes. So we need to write it from greatest to smallest. So greatest means, crocodile mouth will be open. So we write it this way. Yeah. Hope it's clear. If you have any questions, please get back to me. I'll just give a repetition. You have to look the place value, which is having the greatest place value. For example, in this question, there are only two numbers having 100,000. So which selected there two, and we gave the ordering first. And after that, we went to the smallest place value of that, which is 10,000, and compared the next two numbers. So this is how you need to compare it. Thank you so much.